Well, hello again. Today I'll show you how to whiten teeth in Lightroom. So start out by opening up your photo, go to develop, and then zoom in. And this lady is almost done. I just need to do a little bit of touch up. She looks pretty perfect as always. And just zoom into the teeth, select the brush tool again. I love that tool. Double click on the effect so everything is set to white to 0. Bump up the white, take down the saturation, and then you go ahead and just go over the teeth. And then, depending on your photo and how yellow the teeth are, you just do it a little less or a little more, and then you're good to go. Let's see, down the temperature a little bit. I'm gonna erase the parts that are supposed to be reddish. They're like here, for example, because you do want to keep it natural. Okay, so here's before and after, and like you can go extreme. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching. See ya tomorrow.